노인과 바다.
Old man and sea. Old man and sea. Old man and sea.
어부는 거대한 청새치와 싸운다.
Fisherman battles giant marlin. Fisherman battles giant marlin. Fisherman battles giant marlin.
산티아고는 사자의 꿈을 꾼다.
Santiago dreams of lions. Santiago dreams of lions. Santiago dreams of lions.
상어는 그의 캐치를 공격합니다.
Sharks attack his catch. Sharks attack his catch. Sharks attack his catch.
헤밍웨이의 노벨상 수상 소설.
Hemingway's Nobel-winning novella. Hemingway's Nobel-winning novella. Hemingway's Nobel-winning novella.
산티아고의 회복력은 독자들에게 영감을 줍니다.
Santiago's resilience inspires readers. Santiago's resilience inspires readers. Santiago's resilience inspires readers.
바다는 삶의 도전을 상징합니다.
Sea symbolizes life's challenges. Sea symbolizes life's challenges. Sea symbolizes life's challenges.
자연에 대한 인간의 투쟁.
Man's struggle against nature. Man's struggle against nature. Man's struggle against nature.
간단한 산문의 깊은 주제.
Deep themes in simple prose. Deep themes in simple prose. Deep themes in simple prose.
노벨라는 인간의 지구력을 탐구합니다.
Novella explores human endurance. Novella explores human endurance. Novella explores human endurance.
헤밍웨이의 희소하고 영향력 있는 스타일.
Hemingway's sparse, impactful style. Hemingway's sparse, impactful style. Hemingway's sparse, impactful style.
산티아고의 고독과 결단.
Santiago's solitude and determination. Santiago's solitude and determination. Santiago's solitude and determination.
자연의 힘과 전투를 벌이세요.
Battle with nature's forces. Battle with nature's forces. Battle with nature's forces.
바다 설정, 은유적인 깊이.
Ocean setting, metaphorical depth. Ocean setting, metaphorical depth. Ocean setting, metaphorical depth.
인간 정신에 관한 걸작.
Masterpiece about human spirit. Masterpiece about human spirit. Masterpiece about human spirit.
산티아고의 여행, 보편적인 주제.
Santiago's journey, universal themes. Santiago's journey, universal themes. Santiago's journey, universal themes.
헤밍웨이의 솜씨가 돋보이네요.
Hemingway's craftsmanship evident. Hemingway's craftsmanship evident. Hemingway's craftsmanship evident.
단순함은 내러티브의 힘을 강화합니다.
Simplicity enhances narrative power. Simplicity enhances narrative power. Simplicity enhances narrative power.
상징은 독자의 경험을 풍부하게 합니다.
Symbols enrich readers' experience. Symbols enrich readers' experience. Symbols enrich readers' experience.
테마는 문화 전반에 걸쳐 공명합니다.
Themes resonate across cultures. Themes resonate across cultures. Themes resonate across cultures.
독자들은 산티아고와 관련이 있습니다.
Readers relate to Santiago. Readers relate to Santiago. Readers relate to Santiago.
존엄성을 향한 산티아고의 탐구.
Santiago's quest for dignity. Santiago's quest for dignity. Santiago's quest for dignity.
투쟁의 은유적 의미.
Struggle's metaphorical significance. Struggle's metaphorical significance. Struggle's metaphorical significance.
인간에 대한 자연의 무관심.
Nature's indifference to man. Nature's indifference to man. Nature's indifference to man.
헤밍웨이의 쿠바 사랑.
Hemingway's love for Cuba. Hemingway's love for Cuba. Hemingway's love for Cuba.
소설 속 상징적 의미.
Symbolic meanings in novella. Symbolic meanings in novella. Symbolic meanings in novella.
단순한 문장, 깊은 임팩트.
Simple sentences, profound impact. Simple sentences, profound impact. Simple sentences, profound impact.
산티아고의 인생 철학.
Santiago's philosophy on life. Santiago's philosophy on life. Santiago's philosophy on life.
자연과 인간의 관계.
Human connection with nature. Human connection with nature. Human connection with nature.
헤밍웨이가 문학에 미친 영향.
Hemingway's influence on literature. Hemingway's influence on literature. Hemingway's influence on literature.
시대를 초월한 테마가 아름답게 탐구되었습니다.
Timeless themes explored beautifully. Timeless themes explored beautifully. Timeless themes explored beautifully.
산티아고의 지혜와 회복력.
Santiago's wisdom and resilience. Santiago's wisdom and resilience. Santiago's wisdom and resilience.
전형적인 영웅으로서의 어부.
Fisherman as an archetypal hero. Fisherman as an archetypal hero. Fisherman as an archetypal hero.
산티아고 여행의 교훈.
Lessons from Santiago's journey. Lessons from Santiago's journey. Lessons from Santiago's journey.
강력한 적으로서의 자연.
Nature as a formidable adversary. Nature as a formidable adversary. Nature as a formidable adversary.
얼굴에 인내.
Perseverance in the face. Perseverance in the face. Perseverance in the face.
은유로서의 해양 생물.
Marine life as metaphors. Marine life as metaphors. Marine life as metaphors.
대화는 캐릭터의 깊이를 드러냅니다.
Dialogue reveals character depth. Dialogue reveals character depth. Dialogue reveals character depth.
헤밍웨이의 투쟁의 묘사.
Hemingway's portrayal of struggle. Hemingway's portrayal of struggle. Hemingway's portrayal of struggle.
어부의 명예훈장.
Fisherman's code of honor. Fisherman's code of honor. Fisherman's code of honor.
산티아고의 지속적인 유산.
Santiago's enduring legacy. Santiago's enduring legacy. Santiago's enduring legacy.
산티아고와 바다의 관계.
Santiago's relationship with sea. Santiago's relationship with sea. Santiago's relationship with sea.
말리는 합당한 상대입니다.
Marlin as a worthy opponent. Marlin as a worthy opponent. Marlin as a worthy opponent.
일상적인 물건의 상징성.
Symbolism in everyday objects. Symbolism in everyday objects. Symbolism in everyday objects.
헤밍웨이가 문학에 끼친 영향.
Hemingway's impact on literature. Hemingway's impact on literature. Hemingway's impact on literature.
설명적인 언어, 생생한 이미지.
Descriptive language, vivid imagery. Descriptive language, vivid imagery. Descriptive language, vivid imagery.
이야기는 문화적 경계를 초월합니다.
Story transcends cultural boundaries. Story transcends cultural boundaries. Story transcends cultural boundaries.
한 개인의 힘.
The power of a single individual. The power of a single individual. The power of a single individual.
헤밍웨이의 실존주의 탐구.
Hemingway's exploration of existentialism. Hemingway's exploration of existentialism. Hemingway's exploration of existentialism.
광대한 은유로서의 바다.
Ocean as a vast metaphor. Ocean as a vast metaphor. Ocean as a vast metaphor.
산티아고의 고독과 성찰.
Santiago's solitude and introspection. Santiago's solitude and introspection. Santiago's solitude and introspection.
자연의 아름다움과 잔인함.
Nature's beauty and brutality. Nature's beauty and brutality. Nature's beauty and brutality.
헤밍웨이가 작가에게 미친 영향.
Hemingway's influence on writers. Hemingway's influence on writers. Hemingway's influence on writers.
산티아고의 금욕적인 인내.
Santiago's stoic perseverance. Santiago's stoic perseverance. Santiago's stoic perseverance.
고립과 연결의 주제.
Themes of isolation and connection. Themes of isolation and connection. Themes of isolation and connection.
헤밍웨이의 회복력에 대한 묘사.
Hemingway's portrayal of resilience. Hemingway's portrayal of resilience. Hemingway's portrayal of resilience.
구원을 향한 산티아고의 탐구.
Santiago's quest for redemption. Santiago's quest for redemption. Santiago's quest for redemption.
시대를 초월한 은유로서의 바다.
Sea as a timeless metaphor. Sea as a timeless metaphor. Sea as a timeless metaphor.
의미를 위한 투쟁.
The struggle for meaning. The struggle for meaning. The struggle for meaning.
헤밍웨이의 영웅주의 묘사.
Hemingway's portrayal of heroism. Hemingway's portrayal of heroism. Hemingway's portrayal of heroism.
존엄성과 명예에 대한 교훈.
Lessons on dignity and honor. Lessons on dignity and honor. Lessons on dignity and honor.
헤밍웨이의 외로움에 대한 묘사.
Hemingway's depiction of loneliness. Hemingway's depiction of loneliness. Hemingway's depiction of loneliness.
은유로서의 산티아고의 여정.
Santiago's journey as a metaphor. Santiago's journey as a metaphor. Santiago's journey as a metaphor.
상징은 독자의 이해를 풍부하게 합니다.
Symbols enrich readers' understanding. Symbols enrich readers' understanding. Symbols enrich readers' understanding.
바다를 상징으로 합니다.
The sea as a symbol. The sea as a symbol. The sea as a symbol.
자연과 인간의 영원한 투쟁.
Man's eternal struggle with nature. Man's eternal struggle with nature. Man's eternal struggle with nature.
산티아고의 내부 및 외부 전투.
Santiago's internal and external battles. Santiago's internal and external battles. Santiago's internal and external battles.
헤밍웨이의 인간 본성에 대한 탐구.
Hemingway's exploration of human nature. Hemingway's exploration of human nature. Hemingway's exploration of human nature.
산티아고와 물고기의 관계.
Santiago's relationship with the fish. Santiago's relationship with the fish. Santiago's relationship with the fish.
노벨라의 보편적인 매력.
Novella's universal appeal. Novella's universal appeal. Novella's universal appeal.
필멸과 불멸의 주제.
Themes of mortality and immortality. Themes of mortality and immortality. Themes of mortality and immortality.
산티아고의 흔들리지 않는 결심.
Santiago's unwavering determination. Santiago's unwavering determination. Santiago's unwavering determination.
헤밍웨이의 언어경제학.
Hemingway's economy of language. Hemingway's economy of language. Hemingway's economy of language.
자연의 무관심과 의대함.
Nature's indifference and grandeur. Nature's indifference and grandeur. Nature's indifference and grandeur.
산티아고의 겸손과 강인함.
Santiago's humility and strength. Santiago's humility and strength. Santiago's humility and strength.
헤밍웨이의 철학 탐구.
Hemingway's exploration of philosophy. Hemingway's exploration of philosophy. Hemingway's exploration of philosophy.
청새치의 상징.
The symbolism of the marlin. The symbolism of the marlin. The symbolism of the marlin.
역경 속에서도 산티아고의 회복력.
Santiago's resilience in adversity. Santiago's resilience in adversity. Santiago's resilience in adversity.
운명과 자유의지를 주제로 합니다.
Themes of fate and free will. Themes of fate and free will. Themes of fate and free will.
헤밍웨이의 서사적 기술.
Hemingway's narrative craftsmanship. Hemingway's narrative craftsmanship. Hemingway's narrative craftsmanship.
산티아고의 금욕주의와 용기.
Santiago's stoicism and bravery. Santiago's stoicism and bravery. Santiago's stoicism and bravery.
바다는 생명의 원천입니다.
The sea is a source of life. The sea is a source of life. The sea is a source of life.
자연의 순환과 리듬.
Nature's cycles and rhythms. Nature's cycles and rhythms. Nature's cycles and rhythms.
산티아고와 자연의 영적 연결.
Santiago's spiritual connection with nature. Santiago's spiritual connection with nature. Santiago's spiritual connection with nature.
헤밍웨이의 실존적 주제 탐구.
Hemingway's exploration of existential themes. Hemingway's exploration of existential themes. Hemingway's exploration of existential themes.
인간의 조건을 들여다보는 창으로서의 상징.
Symbols as windows into the human condition. Symbols as windows into the human condition. Symbols as windows into the human condition.
바다에 대한 산티아고의 존경심.
Santiago's reverence for the sea. Santiago's reverence for the sea. Santiago's reverence for the sea.
정체성을 위한 투쟁.
The struggle for identity. The struggle for identity. The struggle for identity.
헤밍웨이의 고독에 대한 묘사.
Hemingway's portrayal of solitude. Hemingway's portrayal of solitude. Hemingway's portrayal of solitude.
산티아고와 물고기의 관계.
Santiago's connection with the fish. Santiago's connection with the fish. Santiago's connection with the fish.
구원과 희생의 주제.
Themes of redemption and sacrifice. Themes of redemption and sacrifice. Themes of redemption and sacrifice.
자연의 아름다움과 가혹함.
Nature's beauty and harshness. Nature's beauty and harshness. Nature's beauty and harshness.
헤밍웨이의 상징 사용.
Hemingway's use of symbolism. Hemingway's use of symbolism. Hemingway's use of symbolism.
모델로서의 산티아고의 회복력.
Santiago's resilience as a model. Santiago's resilience as a model. Santiago's resilience as a model.
바다의 상징적 의미.
The sea's symbolic significance. The sea's symbolic significance. The sea's symbolic significance.
개인적인 의미에 대한 산티아고의 탐구.
Santiago's quest for personal meaning. Santiago's quest for personal meaning. Santiago's quest for personal meaning.
헤밍웨이가 문학에 끼친 영향.
Hemingway's impact on literature. Hemingway's impact on literature. Hemingway's impact on literature.
삶에 대한 은유로서의 자연.
Nature as a metaphor for life. Nature as a metaphor for life. Nature as a metaphor for life.
인내에 대한 산티아고의 교훈.
Santiago's lessons on perseverance. Santiago's lessons on perseverance. Santiago's lessons on perseverance.
헤밍웨이의 지속적인 문학 유산.
Hemingway's enduring literary legacy. Hemingway's enduring literary legacy. Hemingway's enduring literary legacy.